morning, students. In this video we are going to learn about operations of rational expressions. So now we know 4 operations. It's nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So one by one we will see all the 4 operations based on the problems. First one thing is multiplication. So here the question is given x cube by 9y square into 27y divided by x power 5. So it is a monomial only, so easily we can cancel the terms. The 9 will be get cancelled and 27 will be get cancelled, and then this x cube and x power 5 will be get cancelled, and this y square and y will be get cancelled. So remaining terms I'll get it x square divided by y into 3. So it is nothing but 3x square divided by y. So normally it is easy for the monomials, but it is given in binomial or quadratic polynomial. How we can cancel? First, for example, I'll give you one sum. For example, here I'll have the term x square minus y square divided by x minus y into x cube divided by y cube. For example, I'll give you. So this is nothing but what? It is x square minus y square. It's nothing but a square minus b square formula. So how you can split this term? It will come x minus y into x plus y divided by x minus y into x cube by y cube. So here we can cancel this x minus y and x minus y. So remaining terms I'll get it x plus y into x cube by y cube. So it is easy for multiplication. There is no restrictions for multiplication. Easily we can multiply. Only we have to see which one will be get cancelled. We have to cancel, and remaining terms as it is you have to write it. Now it is for division. So the terms are b square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4 divide b square minus 49 divided by b square minus 5b minus 14. So it is a division. So here we have to only see the division. After the division, the second term should be get the reciprocal. So what we having now, b square plus 3b minus 28 divided by b square plus 4b plus 4. There is no changes in the first term. The second term, after the division part, what we should do, it means this division will be changed into the multiplication. Then automatically this term will get reciprocal. So the denominator part should come into the numerator side, and the numerator part should come to the denominator side. Okay, so after finishing this one, you know what is the procedure for multiplication. So first we want to factorize all these terms, then we should have to, any common things will be there, we have to cancel. So first I am going to factorize this one, b square plus 3b minus 28. So we know factorization. So what is the factors we'll get it for this one? b plus 7 and b minus 4. Okay, divided by, and same like that we should factorize this one, b square plus 4b plus 4. So what is the factors? b plus 2 into b plus 2 into, so now I am going to factorize this one, b square minus 5b minus 14. So what will be the factors? b minus 7 into b plus 2 divided by, now this is actually the 49 should come 7 square. So b square minus 7 square. So it is nothing but the formula a square minus b square. We know what is a square minus b square. It is nothing but a plus b, a minus b. So this will be b plus 7 and b minus 7. So all these 3 terms should be factorized, and this one we are factorizing using the identity. So now which term is commonly having? I am going to cancel that one. So b plus 7 will be get cancelled, and same like that b plus 2 will get cancelled, and then this b minus 7, b minus 1 will get cancelled. So remaining what term we are having? b minus 4 divided by b plus 2. So as well as multiplication, division is similar only we have to see this division should be changed to the multiplication. So automatically then the second term will get the reciprocal.